If you are about to train your dog's separation anxiety, or perhaps you're already in the middle of it, then this video is for you, because today we're talking about something that most dog trainers, dog professionals forget to tell you when training separation anxiety. So if you're interested, keep watching. What's up guys, it's Jenna with Dog Liaison, where I coach you on how to treat your dog's mental health needs, and on this channel we break down scientific research in order to inform and educate us on how to train dogs. So if you're interested in a more nerdy approach to canine cognition, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So listen, I know that having a dog with separation anxiety and separation related problems is a really hard thing to live with. Maybe you can't leave your dog alone. Maybe you can't go to the grocery store because your dog is going to constantly be whining. Maybe your neighbors are complaining to you that your dog is always barking. Maybe you can't leave your house at all. And so now you've decided to embark on the journey of training your dog separation anxiety. Maybe you've read the books. Maybe you've hired a trainer. Maybe you've seen my How to Cure Separation Anxiety video, and you are ready to take on this journey, and you're probably pretty motivated to get through it, and I'm really excited to help you through that. But there is something that a lot of times dog professionals forget to tell you, and I think that I would be remiss if I didn't tell you, because it's super important that you know. And that is that training separation anxiety distress is really difficult. In fact, it's more difficult than training, say, reactivity or aggression issues. It is, in my experience and the experience of a lot of my colleagues, that separation anxiety cases are just, they take longer to cure. They require more effort on the part of the owner. They're exhausting, and they can feel like it's going on for too long. And something that people don't realize when they start off training separation anxiety is that it is a long process, and that you are inevitably going to lose motivation. You might start off having a lot of excitement and ready to go and ready to tackle this issue, but it's going to take you at least months to get through this process wholeheartedly, where you can leave your dog for an extended period of time, and your motivation is not going to last that long. It's just not going to last as long as the process takes. And to be honest, a lot of trainers won't even take on separation anxiety cases because it takes so long and because it takes so much effort. So one of the things that I recommend doing when you feel like your motivation is dwindling is take a break. Take 5 to 8 to 10 days of just stopping training for separation anxiety. Focus on the things that you enjoy. Teach your dog a trick. Teach your dog to do something fun that doesn't require as much effort, not just on your dog's part, but on your part. Because something that people don't realize when they're training their dog's disorders is that you also are experiencing a great burden. And if you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not making sure that your process is enjoyable. Sorry, my dog seems to be shuffling around. We'll wait. Okay. If you're not taking the time to really focus on yourself, if you're not taking the time to make sure that you are getting what you need out of it, taking that break, you're gonna give up. And that's the worst thing you can do for your dog. You need to not give up. So take a break. Go 5 to 8 days without training. You will not regress, especially if you're in the middle of the process, especially if you've been doing the process correctly. Giving yourself a break or a rest day is going to be okay. Remember that training your dog's separation-related disorders is for the long haul. In order to do it correctly, you need to take your time. You need to do it right in order for it to be effective forever. If you need more information on how to train your dog's separation anxiety, I made a full video that I recommend you check out. If you enjoy this scientific approach to dog training, make sure to hit subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, and I'll see you guys soon.